Hey guys, it's Tom here from Crypto Life Inc. and Team Generous. I'm back at you guys with another video series. So in this series, we're going to be focusing on two things. So we're going to focus on gambling dApps and on the EOS ecosystem and EOS games. So I'm pretty interested in this whole gaming space and the EOS ecosystem, how these dividend tokens work, and reviewing all these games to see which ones out there are really legitimate and great games. So that's what I'm going to present to you guys in this series. Remember to like and subscribe so you get updated on all of the new games and dApps that I review. And let's get right into it, guys. Alrighty guys, let's get right into it. So what I'm going to be exploring this video is just firstly, what is an EOS Gambling DAPP? So let's have a quick look at this. Now remember, this is not financial advice, so don't take me on any of the stuff that I'm talking about. This is purely my own opinion. Go doing your own research before you go into any of these sites and try out anything, especially the gambling part. So without any further ado, let's get into it then. So there's plenty of ways you can find EOS gambling games, or dApps as they're called, and basically it's exactly as it sounds. You can start gambling with your EOS tokens, or a variation of the EOS token, the token that the particular dAppp or the gaming website issues. So example here, you can look at bet dice. Sorry, I'm on the EOS Dividends website at the moment, so I'll leave that in the description, but here we've got bet dice, so you can see that they've got a dice token, so you can gamble. You might be able to gamble with this. I need to verify with the dice token. You can certainly gamble with the EOS token, and you can gamble on their site, and that is a gambling game for dice games. So that is how you really identify them. You just go in there and you have a look. Another place you could look for gambling dApps in the EOS ecosystem is on Nudex, which is a decentralized exchange for EOS. So what you can do is you can go to their site, click on markets. They don't specifically label them gambling, so what you'll have to do is just open them up, unless there's an easier way, which I haven't found yet. I've just been opening up new listings, so when you get notifications about new listings, open them up, and then you can check out their site and stuff like that. So I mean, if we go to the dice game, I'll show you real quick what I mean. So here you've got the introduction. You click this tab here, it expands out, and then you have their website. So just go check the website, and you can verify for yourself whether it's a gambling dAppp or not. I know this one is already, so I won't go ahead and do that. You can even search Google for that. So you've got Lucky Games, EOS Bet Casino. I've done a review on that one in my previous video, which you can check out. And then a whole bunch of other ones. And then the other source that I'd probably look at is DAPP Radar. Whoops. I spelled that. No, went all wrong. DAPP Radar. Come on, mate. I'm on a tight schedule. DAPP Radar. Here we go. Finally got it. Oh, I should just click that. Anyways, let's just let this thing load. Yeah, so you can jump on DAPP Radar and just go to the EOS tab, EOS dApps, and then it'll show you all the EOS. You can check out some other blockchains if you want, but here you go. So now you get all these EOS ones, and a lot of these are just the dApps. So again, you have to go and personally verify. Actually, no, it tells you. Here it is. So gambling. Okay, DAPP Radar makes it a little bit easier. Just tells you which ones gambling dApps are. So that's pretty cool, and that's how you tell and find EOS gambling dApps. Thanks for tuning in, guys. So hopefully you understand now where to find all these EOS gambling dApps and what they all mean. So remember to like and subscribe, and in my next video we're going to talk about EOS dividend tokens and what they actually do. So tune in for that, guys.